Yayo 101. Boy, I be on the computer. I know everybody out there putting their stuff on the computer. That's where I get all my music from. Shout out to my homeboy, True Heart Dream Production. I'ma say it again and again and again and again. And my other homeboys as well too. Boy, the last episode, shout out to my peoples, man. Bang Bang, yours truly, Microwave, and your boy Bronco Boy on the Yayo 101. I'm coming at y'all with some nice things, baby. Let's do it. Now we know. And I told y'all homeboys from the last episodes that I had more. And guess what? Let's do it. I got my man City, Sharif Fox, my man Cherry D, Live Browns, Fayetteville, North Carolina, Yayo 101, and we gonna keep this thing going, my man. Going. Bow.
Alright, I got a hot 16 and a bitch named Isha with some brand new kicks that I copped last Easter. Swag through the track, I ain't never need a feature so I can cake up at the crib, but I'm an unstable creature, huh? Big boy league, bench boy please. A lot of rappers in the Ville, but who gon' lead? Young boy get fresh, y'all should trademark me. I'm trying to touch 100 mil, these rappers ain't real. Your mans wrote that, how the hell did you get a deal? I'm sick of turning my radio on. If it ain't my song, and I'm tired of hearing nigga I'm on if you ain't on. It's a struggle out here, that pissing you better fear. Bring a grown man to tears of that chopper right in his ear, yeah. It's bully gang bastard, what you asked for? And my whole team duck, no backboard. So I can kick it at the corner smoking marijuana or make a deal with Papa Skills with these cows and chill. Bully! CIT, what I do so stupid, man. Huck CNT, huck everybody, baby. Second time around is out, man. Go cop that shit, man. Pull up, put it in park. Video coming soon, baby. Bang!
You can't tell me that wasn't fire. That's my boy City. Shout out to your boy, man. I'm your brother, dog. Bro was hot, man. You gotta show him love. Straight up. He showed me love. I showed him love. My city, Fayetteville, North Carolina, 91026. Ain't nothing but love, homie. That's how we gonna do it. Next, you already know who I got, man. My baby girl, my lady, Miss Princess, Sharif Fox. And she gonna give it to you raw, and she gonna give it to you nice. Let's go ahead and give it to you right now in your face. Let's go.
Lauryn Hill did it, bet you just lost one. How about what you gonna do next? I see you rooting for that other guy. Video shows making plenty moves, now watch out. Don't care if I'm alive or dead, you sitting on me figures dead. Instead you will not get ahead. Every move that them haters make, whether small or major weight, best believe it's ran through me. Yo, told you catch you read me wrong, my smiling faces led you on and now you in my danger zone. More hungry than the mother cats, but once again you sleep on me and have another fucker's back. Wow. It's Sharif Fox on Yayo 101, and much love to you, baby. Mwah. Empress out.
Sharif Fox, you done told them people what it was out here in these streets. And I love that and I appreciate that. People out here in Fayetteville, man, come on, man. Show love. That was hard and that was nice, like I said before. Sharif Fox, now we know. Let's do it. Showing love, man. But you already know what it is, man. This next artist I got, Cherry D, Live Rounds.
I went from cussing kicks to lusting chicks to fucking clicks from hitting licks to custom whips from busting bricks. Live Rounds membership, we all about the dividends. Never fuck with broke bitches, they ain't got no benefits. You can catch me in the Ville, fucking riding through my city with that 40 on my lap. Fucking smoking on that sticky with the bitch that's Hasa Diddy. Be riding, listening to Biggie, I'm all the way rolling 60. You want it, then come and get me. Send me, you'll leave you memories, take him out of his misery. Gotta scope with the lemon squeeze, hit the nigga like Kennedy. Damn, you gotta be kidding me. I'm the perfect epitome. When I'm gone, you remember me. Kill a nigga, no trilogy. It's your boy Terror. I get it cracking on the regular. And how you want it? It's Smith and Wesson or the heckler. I'm 2 steps ahead of you, with one in the head, screaming at the cashier. Open the register. And why dudes hating on me for? Had your girl doing the Jordan sign with her legs like a seesaw. Shit, dog. I've been moving the raw ever since I was 9. And other niggas my age play T-ball. Y'all's an amateur. Dogs, I damage you. camera, cause I stays with it Tommy, like my name was Pamela. 13 years old with mad crack up in the bandits. At 16, I was taking mad trips to Canada, coming back with keys like a school janitor, ducking and dodging all the cops in my perimeter. At age 18, I was a fucking cannon, bro. I used to stick up stores and dodge surveillance cameras. Terror D.
Bruh, Terror D, boy, dude ain't no game, man. He the real deal out here in the Ville, man. Shout out to my mans. And straight up, appreciate that, man. Be on the Yayo one-on-one. Straight up. Stay tuned on Yayo one-on-one for real. Cause I'm gonna show you some things though. But Terror D live round, that's my brother. That show right there was smooth. I'm trying to tell you, the next one, I got something real, boy, real now. I got my man Money Mall. I got my man DP. And I got my man DLC, the man, self-made. DLC, the man, on the Yayo one-on-one. Fayetteville, North Carolina, you already know what it is, alright? Let's get it. Yayo one-on-one.